So hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I have an unboxing for you guys. So the other day I bought something from TJMAXX.com and I actually bought some perfumes. So I bought these blind buys. I just relied on the reviews on Fragrantica.com and reviews from YouTube, and I also look at the notes of these perfumes that I know I will like and enjoy. So yeah, okay, disclaimer, it's going to be a little noisy. Kids are watching a movie and it's like 7 o'clock in the evening, and I feel like I just want to unbox this just because I'm so excited. I had been waiting for this for like a few days and I'm just so excited so I can test out or finally get my nose on these perfumes. Let's go ahead and dive right to it. So these are the perfumes that I got. So this is Illicit by Choo, and I also got the Blossom. I never owned a Choo perfumes before, so these are going to be my first time. Okay, so okay, I just want to make sure I don't have ketchup on my face because we just had dinner. So anyway, I'm going to open the pink one first. Got this from TJMAXX and they're very affordable. They were only like $29 for 1.3 fluid ounce. The box is so pretty. It has like a textured glitter on it. I like it. So pretty. So this is going to be my first time to smell it. Oh! The bottle is so pretty. So look at that. It's so pretty. It's so cute. It looks like a jewel. Okay, so it has a texture. It reminds me of that Valentino perfume bottle that has this type of texture. And on the front is the logo, Choo Blossom. And yeah, the top is it's plastic. Okay, let's go ahead and smell it. What am I smelling? It smells good, whatever it is. I don't know the notes. I'm going to put the notes right here, but it's very mild, floral, mild, a little bit of freshness. Yeah, I didn't even spray it, but I can smell it from the cap, so maybe I'll just spray it on the paper here. Okay, oh, it's leaking, wow. It's all over my hand. Floral, which I don't know what I'm smelling, but it's definitely floral and fruity. And I can smell a little bit of fruitness to it. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so pretty. The smell is gorgeous. Okay, so I'm happy with that. Yay! I'm so nervous that I'm not gonna like it. But I don't know what I did. It's like when I spray the bottle, it's like leaking on the edges here. Hopefully I don't have to return this because of that. Yeah, for a $29 perfume, a designer perfume, this is actually a really good buy. So that's that. I love the bottle, so pretty. So let's go ahead and open this one, and this is Illicit by Choo, if I didn't mention that already. And this was $35, I believe. Yeah, and it's also eau de parfum, and it is 1.3 fluid ounce. And I also love the box. It's so pretty and it has texture. Oh, the inside looks nice too. It has that peachy color to it. Okay, let me just open this up. Ooh, oh no, that's a pretty bottle. Looks so classy. Okay, so the cap, I have to be careful I don't break it. It's just, oh, it's actually heavy. Okay, Okay, this one didn't make a mess. Oh my goodness. It smells like vanilla. I smell amber. And I also smell sandalwood. But I'm not quite sure. I'm going to list the notes right here so we can go ahead and see that. But it's nice and light. It's not as heavy as I thought it's going to be. Wow, I'm amazed. What's in it? Is there floral? I can smell some sort of floral. Sorry, I'm just sniffing the box. It's a little musky, and there is a floral note to it, which I can't figure out, but whatever it is, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, I'm happy with this purchase. I was kind of nervous that I'm not gonna like these because these are blind buys. I never smelled them anywhere, and yeah, I just relied on YouTube reviews and fragrantica.com, and I also look on FragranceNet and FragranceXOXO. They have lots of perfume reviews there too, so I just kind of relied on those, and I'm actually really quite happy with these. Yay! I was so nervous that I'm not gonna like them, but yeah, so I think this is like a perfect size, and the juice there is like orangey juice. I think the other one is pink juice. Let me check. Yeah, the other one is like a pink juice. So these are my new perfumes, and I'm really happy. And if I can find the links to these, I'm going to put them in the description box below, and you guys, I will recommend this. This one, it doesn't have to be fall perfume. It's going to be good as a year-round perfume. It smells so good. I love it. It's very mild. So yeah, I'm happy with my purchase, and yeah, so that's it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. I think the TV is so loud, and I don't know if I am going to be able to post this video because the background. The kids are watching for dinner. So anyway, I will see you next time. Bye!